Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to get a Hostinger invoice. So to start with, you need to open up your Hostinger account, and from the home page we're going to search for the billing tab. So at the moment that is in the top right hand corner. All you have to do is click onto your profile picture, scroll down and click on billing. So here you'll be presented with all the subscriptions you have with Hostinger, and I can click on the payment history tab to see the different payments I've made. So if I want to get an invoice for one of these payments or all of these payments, all I need to do is click onto the arrow next to the payment, then scroll down and you can download the invoice quickly and easily. So that's it. That's how to get an invoice from Hostinger. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.